Forms input field. This is what I want to make. So I have the label inside the box, and as user types in or start to focus and type in, the label going to go up, and there's going to be an additional line for the text. Let's start with the text. So email. I will keep it like a, I'm going to use a body. Default. Okay, so this is my body default, and select the text. Hold Shift, click A to make it auto layout. Change this color to black. Fill with white. Add slightly light gray as a back border. Little bit of shadow. It's level 2 is my usual kind of shadow or height. And add 4 to the corner so it can become a little bit curvy. Okay. I don't want my background to change as I change the text, so I want it to be a fixed width. To do so, click the frame, change width from hot content to fixed width. Now I can add 200. The height should be more also, so fixed height. Give it 60. Now let's move email to the center. Go to the setting, center left. And this is what I want. So this is my input. Make a component or create a component. Name, change name to input. Now it's time to add a variant for filling. So I don't want to have extra steps. All I want to do by using clicks on it, I'm going to fill data for my prototyping purpose. So I'm going to click variant. And for this variant, I need to make a copy from this text by copying it. Oh, as you can see, it's not vertical, it goes horizontally. So select the variable and change it to vertical. Left center, there's too much, the spacing between is a lot. So make 0. Now I can go and change this email text to smaller version. I already have label in my system, so I can select it. All I need to do, I need to change the color to dark gray. So let's get name, let's say, name at All right, so I have these 2 stages. Now, another stage that I can add is the error, right? Let's say there is a validation error going on. To do so, I'm going to select this field one, click plus to add another variant. We're going to call this error. So how do we want to have our error? Maybe make the border red. So instead of dark gray, I can change it to warning, but danger. Yeah, danger. Now this is good enough visually, so I can see that there's an error going on. But now when you want to look at it from the UX perspective, you don't know what the error is, right? We just change this to, let's say, okay, like that. So we need to have a text to explain what was the reason of error. I can either add a text underneath of it, or let's try to see if I can add another line under this. So all of this is going to go a little bit slightly to the up, and it's going to add another line so it can explain the text. Now, tricky part is you need to make sure you don't have a long error so it will fit. If that's the case, you need to have the outside of this box, you can add it. So, but for me, I'm just going to add inside. To do so, make a copy, change it to the small label, and change color to danger. No, I'm going to make it dark so it's readable. All right, here we go. So I do have 3 variant. Sorry, let me change it back to danger. I feel like it's okay, looks better. Okay, so we have the input, then we have field, and if there is an error going on, so we have another stage for that. So here we go, we have 3 variant, and that was forms input.